Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send recurring statement to customers in QuickBooks Online automatically. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account. So as you can see, this is my main dashboard. So we're gonna use features called workflow automation. So we're gonna send it automatically every time you choose. You can set it up later. So you can just click this icon, or if you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box and search for workflow, and then you will find workflow automation. Click on it, and then you will find a lot of templates here, but we're gonna use the new one. We are gonna create one. Click this plus custom workflow, and then we're gonna choose statement here. So yeah, statement, and there is only one action here, scheduled action. Click on it and click next. After that, you can name it maybe recurring statement, just like that. And then you can choose the action, obviously schedule and send the balance forward, and then you can set up the time, the schedule. So start from this date, and then at this time, and then repeat every maybe every week or every month. Let's say every month, and then you can choose the date, every month, and then you can choose the end, maybe never, or it's up to you. After that, you can choose to send a customer email. Obviously, you can set up the message here. After that, you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.